Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. We were going for a real cute Halloween set that was pink, especially for the breast cancer awareness month. And this is what we came up with. So first I'm going in with this pink, and I'm just going to do one layer. And here you actually see me pouring acetone into the nail polish. This is just to help loosen the polish, because sometimes, you know, when your polish is kind of old, it can get real chunky, and this is what helps fix that. Here is how I do ombre with polished acrylic. I take one of those little sponge things, I'm not sure what they're called, makeup applicator sponges or whatever. And I'm just putting on the polish and which way the ombre is supposed to go. And then I just dap it onto the finger. And I have to do this multiple times because it comes on very thin. So just do this multiple times to achieve the thickness of the polish that you want. And yes, it does get very messy, but at the end you can see that I just clean up the edges with the acetone. Here I'm just going in and putting a second coat of the pink on all of those fingers. And here I'm just starting to work on the designs, as you can see, which are very simple. Personally, for sets like this or any type of nail art, I like to work with regular polish instead of gel polish or acrylic paints. And for regular polish, it's actually known that you can't use a gel top coat because it'll crinkle up. But I've actually found a top coat that works and doesn't mess up the polish, which I'll show in the ending. You can't see it, but I actually have a little jar of acetone on the side, which I keep cleaning my brush with throughout this process. This is just to make sure that I'm not building up polish on my brush and it's not becoming too thick, and keeping it with a smooth line. Here I'm just going in on the sides that I missed when I did the ombre and cleaning it up, making sure there's no empty spaces where there's not any polish. And as I said earlier, this is where I just go in and clean up the sides with acetone, making sure there's not any extra polish. This is my holy grail top coat when it comes to working with polish. You do have to wipe it with alcohol after it cures due to its sticky layer, but it is definitely worth it because it definitely keeps the regular polish intact and doesn't mess it up. Before I actually stick the hand in the UV light, I like to go in and wipe the sides, just because the gel top coat can kind of mess up the shape if you just let it fall all over the place. Here I am wiping the tacky layer off, like I said earlier. Just applying my cuticle oil here. And boom, these came out so pretty. I love the Halloween effect and the fact that they're pink for the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.